Hello everyone, and in this video I will show you how to split your screen on a Mac. So first, open the applications that you want to use on the split screen. So for example, if I want to use TextEdit and Safari, open both of them together, and neither one of them should be minimized, because if one of them is minimized like this, it won't work. So now if I open Safari again, and then on the top in the menu bar, click on Window, and then here, I can either choose Style Window to left of the screen or Tile Window to right off screen. So I'll click on Tile Window to left off screen. And here you can see that my Safari has gone to the left of the screen, and I have a text edit in the right of my screen on the right side. Click on whatever app that you have open. In my case, I'll click on Text Edit, and now I have split the screen into two, and I have Safari on one side, and I have Text Edit on the other. So now you can also adjust how much of an app you want to. So if I want more of Safari and less of TextEdit, I can do that too. And now I can use Safari and I can use TextEdit at the same time. So that is how you use the split screen function on a Mac. Thank you.